I'm sorry to all my neighbors right now. Just kidding, it's not that loud. Alright, let's go for a quick little night drive. We have no gas right now, so we are gonna go get some gas. All right, you guys, we are at the gas station. We are literally empty tank right now. So gonna fill up the car really quick. Gonna take me about 45-50 bucks. But Shell gas is the only way to go. So let me go ahead and fill up really quick, and then we can go ahead and get this video started. Gas is surprisingly not that bad, only $3.29 for Virginia. That's really not that bad. No updates on the car, everything's still looking the same. Still need to take the T37s off. I might not, because these tires are really good, and the stock tires that come with the car from the factory, the summer tires, absolutely suck in the snow. So I might keep these on. Alright, let's see how much we spent. Oh, 48 bucks. That's awesome. Here we go. All right, now for the best part. Seeing that needle go from absolutely down to the bottom all the way to the top. Oh yeah, look at that. Full tank, baby. All right. Alright, you guys, I know it's been a while since I last did a POV type of video, and honestly, I've been watching a lot of videos and just realized how much I love making these videos, because it's literally just driving, you guys seeing what I see, and it's just an awesome way to make videos. So I need to start doing this a lot more. But I just want to go for a quick drive and talk about how the last 8 months have been with my WRX. I've had the car for 8 months now, and I think it's a good time for me to go ahead and talk to you guys about this car, what my thoughts are, and now that I've really just gotten to know the car, just really tell you guys whether this is a good buy or not. Little baby pulls in that fresh tank of gas. These last 8 months with the WRX, I can honestly say have been absolutely amazing. I love this car like the day I bought it. And a lot of people, they buy a WRX and they say that, you know, they're not satisfied and they wish they got the STI. I can honestly say also that I've been absolutely satisfied with this WRX. I haven't felt the need to want more, and this car honestly is fast enough for me. There's always those people that always want more power. They want to go faster, and that's not really ever been me. And I'm coming from a Civic Si. I still have my Si, and I have some plans for it that I haven't talked about. But coming from a Civic Si to this car, my Si is tuned and everything, and it feels slow as poop when I drive that car after having driven this. This car is definitely quick. It definitely satisfies my wants of how fast I want to go, especially with having it tuned and everything. I'm still gonna get some more stuff, some more performance parts for this car. Potentially a downpipe very soon, closer to springtime, and I'll go to stage 2 or stage 2 plus. I'm not exactly sure what tune comes after that, but those are the plans for this as far as performance. But besides that, I've been absolutely in love with this car. I love driving it. I love driving it at night. I love the gauge cluster. I love all the red here with the climate controls and the radio controls. I love the steering wheel of this car. It's just such a good driver car. And then as far as everything else that goes with owning a car, maintenance, reliability, gas mileage, this car literally has it all. Reliability, I haven't had any issues with it. It only has 8,700 miles at the moment, so the car's still new, but it's definitely, you know, it's been good to me so far. I haven't had any issues at all with the car, and I'm really happy about that. The only issue I've actually had was that I had a axle boot that was leaking. I'm not sure why. There was a tear in it, and that was covered under warranty. So Subaru, they took care of that for me, absolutely no cost because it was under warranty. But other than that, maintaining this car, synthetic oil changes are 80 bucks, 85 bucks. So that's pretty standard for any other car. So maintenance isn't really out of this world crazy for this car. It's just like any other. And then gas mileage, I'm averaging almost 26 miles per gallon right now. I'm averaging 25.8 miles per gallon to be exact. So that's really good also for a WRX. I think I average better gas mileage in this car than my Civic Si, which is ridiculous to think about. These last 8 months with this car, I can honestly say that I don't regret buying this car at all. And I know what it feels like to buy something and then regret buying it, because I had the Focus ST for 10 months, and I can honestly say that I absolutely regretted buying that car a couple of months after of owning it, because I still wanted more. I was absolutely not satisfied with that car. With that car, I got it, and then I still wanted the WRX. Now with this car, I got the WRX, and I haven't wanted anything else because I like this car so much. The only complaint I can think about for this car is that the infotainment system is not that good. I really wish this car would have come with like a bigger screen, and I know you get it in the premium, but I just think with what you pay for this car and the market and the competition, that this car should come with a bigger screen. This car should have came with Apple CarPlay. It's a 2018, so just about every car that has like a touchscreen like this with Sirius has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So those are the only disappointments I have about this car, and it would have been really nice to have a nicer infotainment system that had Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The other thing that isn't good with this car is going to be the sound system. Unless you get the upgraded like Harman Kardon sound system with the Subaru, with the WRX and the STI, these speakers are absolutely, I mean, they don't suck like where it's absolutely not enjoyable, but they could definitely be better. So other than that, I absolutely love this car. I would recommend it to anyone that's even thinking about buying one. The car so far has been reliable. It's good on gas mileage. It's a good daily driver. I love the all-wheel drive. I drove it in the snow once already, and it was awesome. And, you know, just all around, really no complaints with this car other than the technology could be a little bit better. But I do know that with the 2019s, they do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto now. Really wish they would have done that for the 2018, but oh well. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.